Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum condemns Journalists Association for Assam for nominating Chandra Singh Rongpi, CEO, Biswanath Karbi Live with Jaffa Achievers Award 2022. 15 years of existence, yet no proper road had been constructed so far at Arnam Teplong, Amreng. Bike made a head-on collisions with an auto at Bokajan on Saturday. Good morning, viewers. You are watching KAL English Live English Prime Time. Journalists Association for Assam, Jaffa, had shortlisted the nominees for Jaffa Achievers Award 2022 to honor and felicitate all the journalists for their outstanding journalism. Likewise, the Chief Executive Officers of Biswanath Karbi Live, Chandra Singh Rongpi, was nominated for Jaffa Achievers Award 2022 for rural journalism. Here is a visual of Chandra Singh Rongpi, Chief Executive Officer of Biswanath Karbi Live. He was nominated for Jaffa Achievers Award 2022. But look at the allegations made by Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum (KAWJF) over the controversy Chandra Singh Rongpi had landed in 18 October 2021.
Biswanath Karbi Live along ke claim dun mate kachali dun bom inut ta ke komanim sepi aphan alang apur hejan alang meglang nodek.
According to the statement made by Bulet Bepi, President of Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, she alleged that Chandra Singh Rongpi in the year 2021 on 18 October was accused for allegedly taking the advantage of his portal news anchor, his very own sister, according to Karbi custom. Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum also condemned Journalists Association for Assam for nominating Chandra Singh Rongpi, CEO, Biswanath Karbi Live with Jaffa Achievers Awards 2022. Says to present the prestigious award like Journalists Association for Assam Achievers Award 2022, one should be perfect in every aspect in terms of his character, personality, professionalism and lifestyle. Not only for Jaffa Award, but this implies to all the prestigious awards. Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum would never compromise with such a depraved personality.
Athe inut amunet phat award pidi pot alang character, alang lifestyle, alang ke thek, alang phan kupimala ke nangja sonan ke perfect dei.
Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum also said that the organization would consider the committee of Jaffa Achievers Award 2022 to be depraved, just like the personality of Chandra Singh Rongpi.
Chandra Singh Rongpi amithanga orlangno sampatsi ala award ke pi manta orlangno pusila ke mathana ko.
News Desk report for KAL English Live. The villagers of Borsinghi village, Arnam Teplong area had been residing since the last 15 years. Yet no any good road for communication had been constructed from the government side till date. Villagers are compelled to use the impassable road that connects their village to Phelangpi, Kheroni. The village lies under the administration of Amreng constituency. The villagers, while speaking to us, informed that the villagers had to paddle approximately 11 kilometers during monsoon seasons as the road is not in a suitable condition for vehicles to pass through it. Appeals to the local MAC, Rina Tarangpi EM, to consider the grievance of the people of Arnam Teplong and immediately construct a good passable road in the days to come. Also informed that so far no any political leaders had visited their village. Pre-elections or post-elections of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council says whoever comes and gives solutions to their problems, irrespective of their political party background, they would be highly appreciated and would also stand by their side. Samsing these reports from Jirikindeng for KAL English Live. On the 8th of October at around 5 p.m. late evening, a bike bearing registration number AS09F6949 made a head-on collision with an auto bearing registration number AS09AC2817 at National Highway 39, somewhere around Chandrapur area, as many as 3 people sustained critical injuries. As per the reports, it was informed that this unfortunate incident had occurred when an auto bearing registration number AS09AC 2817 coming from Dimapur heading towards Bokajan and a bike bearing registration number AS09F 6949 proceeding from the opposite direction made a hit on collision at National Highway 39 somewhere around Chandrapur area. The rider of the bike was identified as Binod Panika, pavilion rider as Dulon Bonia, both of them hailing from Chandrapur, and the driver of an auto as Mukut Mech, residents of Kosari Basti, Khatkhati. It was informed that all of them sustained critical injuries and hence an emergency ambulance service 108 was called to carry them for their treatment at Bokajan CHC. Mukut Mech, the driver of an auto, was later referred to Bokajan Arogya Hospital due to his severe injuries. No loss of life had been reported so far. Bokajan police reached the spot and took over the case. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbin Online. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.